Back to my channel. So today I'm going to be following another YouTuber's natural hair wash day routine. She claims to have 4C hair, but I don't know, mine's is looking more 4C-ish than hers. Her name is JOI Wade. I've used to watch her in the past, but the video that I'm watching right now is from 4 years ago. So I'm going to try to copy her hair routine to see if it benefits my hair, because clearly whatever I'm doing isn't working. There has to be another method to my madness, because I have been neglecting my hair and it needs to be retrained. I'm not going to be using the same products as her because I'm not getting paid to do so. So I'm going to use the same kind of products. Like if she's using shampoo and conditioner, I'm going to do the same. If she's using a curling cream, I'm going to do the same, okay? In the video, she starts off by spraying her hair with water and adding some coconut oil. So I'm going to use my little spray bottle, and I have a big of coconut oil that I'm going to use. Let me go ahead and get started.
First, I am taking my hair out of the ponytail and I am applying just some water. That's all that's in that spray bottle, is some water, just to loosen up the curls. Coconut oil to my hair. The coconut oil makes my hair get a little bit softer, and it will be much easier to detangle once I am in the shower. After that, and I can either shower literally during my real wash day routine and then start washing, just to let the coconut oil sit for a little bit. But once I start rinsing out that coconut oil, I will also start finger detangling, and I'll scrub my scalp a few times before applying any shampoo as well, just to loosen up any dirt. So get the hair nice and wet, and then I am taking the As I Am Curl Clarity shampoo, and I am putting that only on my scalp. That is to eliminate tangles while I am scrubbing my scalp. So next, I rinse out the shampoo, and I am always finger detangling while I'm in the shower, while I'm running my hair through. And then afterwards, I am taking the deep conditioner and I'm applying that to my hair, and I'm focusing on the ends. I'm going to leave the deep conditioner in as I go ahead and wash the other sections of my hair, so I want to make sure that there's enough on there to really condition my hair. And then I take my Denman brush and I get the remaining tangles out, as well as work the deep conditioner throughout the rest of my hair.
Alright you guys, I'm straight out the shower and my hair is almost dry. You guys, I'm never doing that video again. I don't know how these YouTubers make their videos where they're in the shower, but my floor is full of water right now. And and I'm not happy. But anyways, so as you guys see in the video, I applied the shampoo. Well, first I rinsed out the coconut oil. I applied the shampoo only to my scalp while holding on to my hair, and, you know, massaging the scalp. Then after I rinsed that out, I put the conditioner in, but I only put the conditioner in on the tips because that's what she did. And then I detangled, Bantu knotted up, and then repeat for every section. I did put my grocery bag on top of my head because I did not have a shower cap. Well, I do, I just don't know where it's at. And I used the deep conditioning cap on my head as well, and I left that in for 10 minutes. But she also did not use a towel. She used a t-shirt. I normally don't do that, but I'm guessing that with the towels it snags on the ends. I've been using a towel for as long as I can remember, and I don't know, maybe there's a difference. I didn't feel any snagging. But let me go ahead and continue with this before my hair dries. She used a leave-in conditioner. I don't know where my leave-in conditioner, well, my other leave-in conditioner is. I don't really like Shea Moisture, but this is what I have in hand right now. So I'm gonna use the same sections that I had. And I'm gonna apply my leave-in conditioner. I am using something lighter only because I do plan on blow drying my hair. She left her hair to air dry, but I am not doing that because I need to style my hair. This is the Hydrate and Repair Multi-Action Leave-In Conditioner from Shea Moisture. It does not have my hair feeling good at all. So after applying that leave-in conditioner, she uses some type of curling smoothie or some type of moisturizer. So I'm going to use Shea Moisture's Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I love this thing. It does have good slip from my 4C hair. This is probably about the only thing from Shea Moisture that I like.
Then I go ahead and separate that hair into 3 strands and braid it up. Braid it up. And I braid it. And I leave the braids in until it is dry. It takes about a day for it to be completely dry. So I like to do a style, and the style is just 4 braids.
Alright, so I repeated the same thing to each section. And I'm not gonna let this air dry like she did because I have to do something to my hair, but I am gonna blow dry it. That's gonna be for another video. Overall, I'm not gonna say I don't like the method. It's her method, not so I guess it's what works for her hair, but it doesn't work for my hair. I didn't lose as much hair as I normally do, but I also didn't fully detangle. That Denman brush was not doing it for my hair. I normally use a shower comb if I even detangle in the shower, because a lot of times I'm gonna detangle while I'm in. If I detangle while I'm in the shower, I'm gonna detangle in the shower. Before I do my hair, I'm gonna detangle in the shower, after the shower, before I blow dry, and that's just too many detangling. So I'd rather just detangle right before I'm about to blow dry my hair, and that's that. So the detangling, like I said, I didn't lose that much hair, but I also didn't fully detangle. So one thing that I can say about her method is I like her method when it comes to shampooing and conditioning. I like that she only shampooed the scalp and let the rest of the soap run down the ends. And I also like that she only focuses on the ends when she's conditioning. So that's probably one thing I'm going to stick with, because normally I just go all out. for both. But alright, so I am gonna close this video off right now. Once again, this method was not for me, but I'm happy that I tried it. If you guys have any other methods that you try, then leave it down below so that way I can try that method, give it a little try, maybe it'll work. Like this video if you like this video, leave a comment down below, give me some advice, some routines or whatever that you guys have. Subscribe on your way out, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.